Here comes the captain. Captain Carol.
Coming.
We're going flying. Last day in France. Let's make it a good one. Wow, what a crazy week. So, went skydiving on Sunday. Followed up, we went to Belgium, went to Tomorrowland. Was one of the best festivals I've ever been to in my life. And now, my last day here with Carol, she just got her private pilot license, and I am going to be her first passenger on the plane. So here we go. Let's go ahead and fly around the French Riviera and the south of France. Cheers, friends. So it's gonna be bumpy. I guess there's a lot of turbulence.
Was good? It was really good.
Yeah?
Bumpy?
No,
a little bit.
Yeah?
So Marseille.
Yeah, cool.
How did it feel having me as your first passenger?
Hey, it was great. It was good.
Goodbye, Provence. Merci beaucoup.